Oh, hey, oh, hey, yeah, it's me and Jonathan. Oh my God, we watched 21 Jump Street. That's my movie. Go ahead, Jonathan.
Yeah, we trying to rap, but we don't even know how to rap, dog. We trying to spit it, but we can't just spit it like that. We have to think, boy.
Oh, we know how to rap, but we do not know how to act. I'm on this typewriter typing words. I'm making videos.
Boy, burning his fingers.
Oh my God, I'm gonna use a quick scope sniper to blow his head off with a 9 millimeter. What you gonna do? I'ma slap this nigga in the head. What he gonna do? Walking up and down the streets like I'm the truth. Oh my God, Colgate toothpaste. I use that
Yeah.
lamp. I turn that light on. Degree. I wear my armpits with that.
Degree.
Baby lotion. Jada use that. Oh, MetroCard. You know where I'm at? New York City. That's where I live at. That's where I belong at. That's where we be at. What you gonna do? Huh? Oh, go ahead, Jonathan.
We
Oh,
order some Chinese food, boy. It'll taste so good, like
that bacon, egg, and cheese that we had this morning. Ooh, that your was tasted good from Rostock. From Rostock. From Rostock. From Rostock. We watching Modern Warfare 2. I clean scope Jonathan in his forehead. What he gonna do? He gonna start running from me. I have my shotty out. I'ma blow his head off. 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 Go ahead, Jonathan. Oh. I'm about to put some headphones on. Listen to my music that I'm about to rap. Lock the door before I get caught by the police. Cause I got weed in my pocket, in my notebook. He smoke crack, I don't use that. That is whack. Crack is whack, period. Drugs is whack. Don't do drugs. You know what your mama said? Don't smoke, don't curse, don't do anything. This is my aunt. This is my aunt.